Imagine a bowl of steaming, soul-soothing ramen, a dish that tantalizes your senses with its rich, savory broth, tender slices of marinated pork, and perfectly cooked, springy noodles. Now, add a soft-boiled marinated egg, a handful of fresh green onions, and a sprinkle of sesame seeds to complete the picture. This is the magic of ramen, a dish that can transport you straight to the heart of Japan with just one spoonful. Creating this culinary masterpiece might seem like a Herculean task, but with a bit of patience and the right ingredients, you too can whip up an authentic bowl of ramen at home. So, roll up your sleeves and get ready to dive into the world of Japanese cuisine. Begin by preparing the broth. Take a large pot, fill it with water, and bring it to a boil. Add chicken bones and pork bones to the pot. Let them simmer for about 6 hours. This is the secret to a rich, flavorful broth, the backbone of any good ramen. While the broth is simmering, marinate the pork. Combine soy sauce, sake, mirin, sugar, and ginger in a bowl. Add the pork slices, ensuring they're fully submerged. Let them soak up the flavors for at least 4 hours. Next, it's time to prepare the ramen eggs, an essential component of the dish. Boil the eggs for exactly 6 minutes and 30 seconds, then peel them carefully and marinate in the same mixture used for the pork. Once the broth is ready, strain it to remove the bones. Bring it back to a simmer and add soy sauce, sake, and a bit of salt for that extra punch of flavor. Next, cook the ramen noodles according to the package instructions. Remember, they should be springy, not mushy. Now comes the assembly. Pour the hot broth into a bowl, add the cooked noodles, and carefully arrange the marinated pork slices and ramen egg on top. Finish it off with a sprinkle of chopped green onions and sesame seeds. To recap, start by preparing the broth, then marinate the pork and eggs. Strain the broth and season, cook the noodles, and assemble your ramen bowl. And there you have it. A bowl of authentic homemade ramen, a dish that's not just a meal, but an experience. A testament to the magic of Japanese cuisine right in your kitchen. So go ahead, take a moment to savor the fruits of your labor. You've earned it.